Chetan is going to join in the meeting?
He's in Basesha Nagar itself.
Okay.
He's taken. Where is Chetan? Where? Okay.
So if you have a look at into this program, yesterday we have seen how to pass our own data into the work area.
Yes, sir.
How to put the data into the internal table.
And how to call the internal table.
Yeah, and how to get the data from the internal table, and how to write it, or how to use the data which was there in the internal table.
Yes.
So the very important point here is you cannot access the internal table data directly. Work area acts like a mediator. Like if you want to put the data into the internal table, what you need to do? First you put the data into the work area, then append work area to the internal table. Similarly, if you want to write the data which was there inside the internal table also, you need to first put the loop at the internal table. So when you loop at the internal table, what will come? What will be done? The first record of the internal table will come inside the work area, and so on. So we are writing the data. Now I'll just move on to the next program.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So now here we will see how to get the data from the database table into the work area.
Okay.
This is our table, right? This is our table. So what I'm doing, I'm creating a work area here. Data, some WA type, test hyphen student. When I declare this statement, what will happen? When I write this syntax, what will happen?
Work area will be created in ZTest student.
Yeah, so work area will be created for ZTest student.
Yes.
Okay, so how can we imagine this work area? I'll see. So yesterday I have shown you, right? The work area with different fields.
Yeah.
So the same fields as that of this Z student. So what are the fields are there in a Z student?
Student ID,
MANDT, including MANDT, everything will be coming to the work area. MANDT, then
student name,
student ID,
student name,
student name,
Student class. Age.
Age and class.
okay. So like this, a work area will be created when I declare this statement, right? So now what I want is, into this work area, I want the data which was there in the database table. If you observe here, inside the database table contents, if you go, what's there? There are 2 or 3 records are there, right? Student ID is this one, Ranga 072. I want one of these record to come into the my work area. Okay? There are 3 records. So I want one record, either the first record or second record or third record, to be placed into my work area.
Yes, sir.
How to write a logic for this? So the syntax to write is select star, or you can also say select single star from database table name. What is the database table name? Yeah,
Z
student. Into work area.
Work area.
Yeah. So into work area, you can give a where condition. Where. So there are 3 records are there. Now which record you want to put? Where student ID is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. You can say where student ID is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. After this I will say write work area hyphen all the fields.
Student ID.
So now save it, check it, and activate. Now listen carefully. Select means get one entry.
Okay.
Wherever you are looking into the keyword select means that you are dealing with the data of the database table. Okay.
Yeah.
Single means one record. So maybe the database table has 3 records or 10 records or 1000 records. Single always means that select one record. See, now that database table has how many records?
3 records.
3 records.
3 records. But how many records we are selecting?
Only 1 record.
1 record. Star means
Everything.
all
Every
the
field.
fields, all the fields in the sense, I want MINDT, I want STU ID, I want STU name, STU age, STU class, all the fields which were there in the table. So that is star. From which table? Table name is ZTest student. Into where to put the data. We are fetching the data and we need to show where to put the data. We have already declared one work area, right?
Yes.
So I want to fill the work area with the data. Okay.
Okay.
where there are 3 records are there. Now I want to, because work area can store how many records?
Only one record.
Only one record, right? Work area can store only one record. So I should specify there are 3 records are there. So which record I want to put? Where student ID is equal to 1234.
Right.
So if you go to the database table, a student ID equal to 1234, student name is Ranga, student age is 07 and student class is 2. Now you should get these results in your output, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us see.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
Yes.
so this is how, that means this is a syntax you will write to get the data from the database table into the work area.
Okay. Sir, actually now we can store only one record in a work area, sir, at a time.
Yeah, we can store only one record in the work
So
area.
after write command, again we have to clear that work area, sir.
Yeah, if you want to get another record into the work area, yes, you should
Okay.
clear the work area.
Work area. Okay. So this means that we can access only one record at a time from database table.
Yeah, you can get, no. See, if you want to get the record into the work area, this is the way.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, if you are getting the data into the work area, you should get only one.
Okay.
Yesterday we also learned about the internal table, right? Internal table can store multiple records.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
If you want to get the data into internal table, you can get many data.
You can get many number of records at a time into the internal table. So
Sir,
now we are in the
this-
first step. Yeah.
Select single asterisk. Why are we giving this asterisk, sir?
Single means one record.
Okay.
We are saying put only one record.
Okay.
Okay?
Asterisk, sir?
This one, star.
Okay.
Star
That
means
one.
all the fields. Whatever the fields which are available in this database table now,
Okay, sir.
put all the fields. Get all the fields and put it into the work area. Star
Okay.
means
All the-
select all the fields
In a record.
in the table. In the table.
Okay. So, okay, sir.
Okay?
Okay.
Select all the fields in the table. Right. Now, the next level. Now see. Now the next step is, I don't want all the fields. Select single star. Star means I said all the fields, right?
All the fields.
I don't want all the fields. I want student name and student age.
Okay, sir.
How to get it?
You should specify the field name, sir.
To
You should specify the
I
field,
want, yeah, instead of giving star, specify the
field name.
field name. Okay, so I want student name. I want student age. So only whatever fields you required, I will specify here. If I specify star here, what will happen? It will select the data from
Fields.
all the fields.
Okay.
Now, what it was doing? What is the syntax doing now?
only it is selecting student name and student age from ZS student, where the condition is student ID is equal
Student
to
ID
1
is
to
equal to 1.
And where it was putting? And where it was putting?
It is
In
putting
work
into work area.
And it was putting into the work area, right?
Yes.
How the work area is now?
Work area
Work area
already
is
we
like
have.
this. Work area is like this, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, what is the field we are getting from the database table?
Student name and
age.
student age.
Student age.
Student age. Student name and student age.
Age.
But unfortunately, here what will happen? Student name will come and it will go to here. Student age will come and it will go here.
Okay.
Okay, so you need to specify, you need to tell that go and sit in your student name, work area student name. Go and sit in your work area student is. You need to specifically tell. Otherwise, what will happen? Because this work area also has MNDT, student ID, all the fields. The student name will go into the MNDT. The student age will go into the STUID.
Student ID.
Okay, so this is what will happen. So now, if I save it, check it, and activate, now it will say correct. But if I execute, see what will happen. So what should be the student ID? Let us see. Execute. I'll execute this. See, 007 is coming. After that, 0 is coming. It's not proper, right?
Yes, sir.
So that data will be jumbling. So what you need to say is into corresponding fields of work area. Now this syntax you need to use. Into corresponding fields of work area. So what is the use of into corresponding fields of?
It is storing in the corresponding fields.
So it will get the data from the database table and put it into the corresponding fields of the work area. So you are getting it, what I am saying.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So till this point any confusion you can ask me.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, right? Okay, fine.
One thing, sir.
And one more.
Sir, one thing, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Yes, sir. That single is necessary in this case. Select single.
Single means one record. Okay.
Okay, sir.
How many records are there in the database table?
Three records, sir.
3 records. Out of which, how many records you are going to put in the work area?
Okay, one record.
1. So single.
One single. Okay.
Single.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Okay.
So otherwise you can blindly fix something like this. If you are putting a work area with into in the into statement, if you are giving a work area,
Yes, sir.
put here single,
Yes, sir.
because work area can always store a single record.
Single record.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
fine. So now tomorrow when you join into the company, if you are writing code like this into corresponding fields of, then your team lead will scold you. Into corresponding fields will reduce the program performance. Okay.
Okay.
So now why it will reduce the performance? Why? Because it will get the student name and student age from this Z student. That means it will go to the database table, it will get the Ranga and 07, right?
Yes,
These two, the Ranga and 07, it will get from the student's test. And then what will happen? It will try to put into the work area. In the work area, it will search. Where is this a student name? No. Is this student name? No. This is student name, right? 2 failures are there. That means 2 times it will check whether this field is a student name, whether this field is a student name. After that, the 3rd time it will get the student name. Once it gets the student name, it will put the data here, Ranga. Okay. Similarly, age also it will check whether it is a student age, whether it is a student age, whether it is a student age. Similarly, then it will check student age. Once it found, it will put the age into the work area. Okay.
Yes.
So this is what will happen. So that means system will try to search the fields in the work area, field names in the work area. So now to avoid that, see what I am doing. So I will try to copy the same program and change the other program. So I will try to create the next program. how to avoid into corresponding. So what I will do here, types begin of some stru, you can give any name here, stru. Here I will say stu name of length. What is the length?
20.
Stu name has character 30, right?
Yes, sir.
So I will say of length 30, type C. What is the next field? Student age.
Age and age.
Of length, of length 2,
Type C.
type numeric.
Just a moment. Hyphen is
End of
Structure.
stru. So now I have created one structure, okay, which is having two fields.
the name and age. Yeah.
Okay, so now what I will do,
You should
I'll
declare
create a
Work
work area
for the
for the structure. Okay,
yes, sir.
getting it what I'm doing?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So now tell me, this work area will have how many fields?
Two field.
Two fields.
Two fields. So now my work area will be like this. Work area with only student name and student age.
Student age.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
This is my work area now.
Yes, sir.
So now what I will say, select single student name, student age from G student table and into work area directly. Into corresponding fields not required.
Okay. Into work area.
Why not required?
Because
Because
work area is having only two fields.
Two.
Only two fields. Only two fields we have declared in the work area. That means structure.
Structure.
So system, no need to search for the system. System work we have reduced.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
can I say now work area student ID?
Not
No.
Right, work area
No,
student
sir.
ID. Can I say this? Why?
No.
No.
Why? Because work area does not have student ID. STU ID is not existing in work area. If I say check here, if I put a check here,
Get
what
error.
will happen?
Get error.
See, it's giving an error. It's saying
Error.
work area does not have the component
Student.
Student ID.
student ID. So remove this. So
And
work
student
area,
class, sir.
does it has a student class?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. So next error it will give. It does not have a student class. So remove the student class also. So save it. Check it. And activate. Execute. So here it is giving the data exactly.
Okay.
Okay. So now we have seen three steps. In the first step, what we have done, we have used select star. Instead of field names here, we have used star here, right?
Yes, sir.
Select the single star. So star means what I said? Star means all the fields.
All the fields.
Yeah, all the fields. If you are whenever you are selecting all the fields, your work area should also need to hold all the fields, right? It should have all the fields. Work area also should have the structure. That means the structure should hold all the fields. So that's why we have declared work area type ztest student. The structure name we have given. The structure name also already has all the field names, right?
Yes.
So since we have declared like this with ZTest student, the structure has all the fields. MNDT, student ID, student name, student class, age and class. And after this, what we have done, select the single star from the table and put it into the work area where student ID is equal to something 1 2 3 4, or you can also give here, if you instead of 1 2 3 4, if you give 1 2 4 5, then what will happen?
It will take Manoj and 0.
Manoj and 06.
Yeah, good. So the corresponding data will come.
Yes, sir.
So till this point, if it is clear, I'll go to the next level.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Sir, actually, I have a small doubt.
Yeah.
Sir, you told if you don't specify the field names or if you don't write this statement into corresponding fields of work area, the data from table goes and sits into the MANDT field and the student name field, as we are not specifying the fields which we want to put the data into. In the first statement also we didn't we told only from ZTest student into work area. Why the data is not placed in the first?
Where in the first program? In the first program.
In the first program. Yes, sir.
See, there we are saying select a single star, right? Star means what?
That means
All the
No,
fields.
sir.
All
No,
the
star will
fields.
select all fields, sir. But I'm asking, you told in the second program the data will go and sit into MANDT. Why in the first program the data is not going?
Because see, in the first program, your work area has the fields which you are selecting.
Okay.
What I meant to say, I'll go to the program and I'll show it to you.
Okay.
Hmm, 13, I think.
Yes, sir.
See,
Okay.
so this is star or whatever. If you mention a field name or if you give a star,
Okay.
that means here you are getting this data from the database table. If it is star means you are getting all the fields data from the database table. If you give student name here, if you are going to get a student name from the database table. If you are putting here STUAs means you are going to get the student age data from the database table. Okay. So whatever you specify here after select single, that data you are going to get from the database table. Okay.
Okay.
You need to put the data into somewhere, that is work area. Okay. You are getting the data, then you need to show a place to sit the data.
Okay.
Okay. So this is nothing but a work area. Work area has some empty places. Work area has some places, empty boxes like this. Once the data come, the data will come and sit here. Okay. So now I am saying select star. Star means
All the
all the
fields.
fields. All the field means it has MNDT, it has student ID, student name, student age, student class.
Okay.
My work area also has the same fields, all the fields.
Okay. MANDT also will be selected.
Yeah, MNDT also will be selected. If you want, you can write and see. Here, what I can say is, you can also write work area hyphen MNDT.
Okay.
But generally, people won't concentrate on this. MNDT is a client. Okay?
Okay.
800 is a
I got
client.
it, sir.
So got it now?
Yes, I got it.
Okay. So whatever the fields you are selecting here, your structure should be able to accommodate all the fields.
Yes.
Your work area should be able to accommodate these fields, whatever you are getting.
So 16.
16.
Yeah. Now the next step is, so here what does it's doing? See, I'm saying student name of 30 type C. Then what it mean?
Student name.
The
Student name
have
of
a field of
30 type C means
It's allocating
student
30
name
space
is
for
a field
student
name.
The length
Yeah,
of
it's
the
allocating 30 spaces for yeah, the same thing you can convey like this. Student name
student.
type G test student hyphen st field name STUNAM. So both are same. The previous statement and this statement both are same.
Okay.
So what we are doing here, instead of specifying the length and data type, we are saying take the length and data type from this table, this field name. Okay. So it will go to the database table. It will go to the particular field, student name. It will take the length. It will take the data type from that particular database table and field name. Okay. Similarly, instead of giving in brackets 2 and type n, I will say type table
Z test student.
Student age.
Age.
Yeah. So both are same. You please make a note. So you can also specify like this or like that. So you can say in brackets length and type data type, or otherwise you can say type database table hyphen field name. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So both are same. Both are same. That means whatever we have done in a previous step and this step, both are same. Otherwise, there is also another way. You can give simply the data element. What is the data element for student name? STU name.
Z test underscore student.
Fine. Instead of giving the table hyphen field name, you simply give the data element.
Okay.
Okay. Otherwise, what is the data element for student is?
Test table.
Instead of giving a table hyphen field name, you give the data element. This is also correct. So there are three ways whenever you are declaring a structure or whenever you are declaring a data. That means whenever you are declaring a variable. So there are three types of declarations. So first one is mention the length in brackets and specify the data type. That is the old one. That means till now we are using. And just now we have learned that we can also say type table hyphen field name. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Then the next one is, if you don't want to specify table hyphen field name, just give the data element. Type data element.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So now let me go into the next step. So here I will say parameters p underscore id. Give some name. Any name you can give after parameters. type now tell me what is this?
PID is the variable of.
Yeah, PID is like a variable
Yes, sir.
which has same data type,
Data types.
same data type, that means numeric, and length is
10.
10. So now if I save it, check it, activate, and execute, what will happen?
It
A
takes
selection
output
screen
from-
is coming where I can enter 1, 2, 3, 4 or 1, 2, 4, 5, whatever. Right?
Okay.
So this ID will be stored in P underscore ID. Whatever you enter here, that will be stored in P underscore ID. So now what I will do, instead of giving this number here, I will say here P underscore ID. Okay? So now let us see. Now I am giving here 1, 2, 3, 4. Then what is my output? What is there for 1, 2, 3, 4? There is student number.
Ranga is there.
Yeah, for 1, 2, 3, 4, Ranga and 7 is there. So
Yes, sir.
now you can see the output Ranga and 7.
Yes, sir.
If you give here 1, 2, 4, 5,
1006.
sorry, 1, 2, 4, 5, you are getting
Manoj 06.
Manoj and 6. So that means, so this is the option, that means parameters you can use like this. So now you got the use of the parameter, right? So every time no need to go and change inside the coding. You can give, you can vary the input, so output also will vary. Okay? So this is the use of parameter. So you got it right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And next one. Next one is select and select. Probably I will discuss select and end select tomorrow. But today I will give you some exercise. Please try to complete, because today whatever up till now we have discussed, those are very, very important. Okay. So now I will give you one table. All of you please make a note. BBAK. See, this table has 134 fields.
Okay.
Okay, so if you go inside this table, there are so many records are there, huge number of records. So among all the records, it was showing some 200 records.
200. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now, when you are coming tomorrow, write a program. Okay, the program input will be sales document. Program input will be sales document. And output I want name of the person who has created this and sales document category. And net value of the sales order. These three fields I want in the output. What is the input? VBELN. Today we learned this program, right? What is the input of this program?
Here.
Student ID. Student ID is the input. We are giving 1, 2, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Otherwise. And we are executing. Then what are the fields coming here? Student name
And age.
student age. So similarly, I'll give this as input. Weblan, I'll give the input. Output what I want Arnam, VBTYP, NETWR.
Okay, sir.
Okay, this is one program. This is first program.
Okay, sir. Next.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and similarly, try to write a program to select all the fields. Select all the fields from MAKT table. This is another program.
Okay, sir.
Write a program to select all the fields
From MA.
from MAKT table. The input is MATNR. Input is MATNR. That means I will provide the material value. Based on the material, I want all the fields
Okay, sir.
from MAKT table. Can you just do one thing? Can you try to do it now, and can you tell me if you are facing any difficulty? I will be online.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, just try.
SAP login is not there. SAP login is not there.
Minor civil loss, minor will be zero.
So did anybody complete it?
No, sir, we are doing.
Okay. Vinod, are you able to do this?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah.
Doing. Sir,
Yep.
what is the command for copy the thing?
What you want to
Control C?
copy?
Control C, the field's name or not?
Field names you want to copy?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can use
Control
Control
C?
C. Yeah, you can select it Control C, Control V.
Control C is not working, I think.
ಮನೆ ಇಂಡೋರ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಹೊಡೆಯೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದು ಬರೀ ಒಂದು ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ನಾಗೆ ರಂಗಪ್ಪ ಅಣ್ಣ ಅನ್ನೋದರು ನಾಗಮ್ಮ ಅಣ್ಣ ಅದರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅದರ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅಪೇಕ್ಷಿನ ಇವ್ರಿಬ್ಬರೇ మేడం అవి రెండు తయారు చేసి పెట్టేసారా ఇది ఇంకోటి నేను వచ్చిన తర్వాత వేస్తాం అంతా అమరాయణ కాఫీలు ఇది ఒకటి మనకి ఇంకోటి రఫ్గా చేసి పెట్టిందండి ఆయన వస్తే ఓన్లీ పేడ్ 3,000 రూపీస్ దాంట్లో 6,625 ప్లస్ 1,000 రూపీస్ 7,000 అండ్ ఆల్ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ అవుతుంది అంత ఎక్స్ట్రా దాని ఎట్లా కండక్ట్ చేస్తారు సందీపు అంటే వెంకట సుబ్బయ్య పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ గ్రూప్లో you will not state that you are ready and willing to perform. Subai kuda ema aina. Diaries ఎన్ని కాల్స్ వస్తుంది
So Aditya, you were there at home, so you were able to do this?
Yes, sir. Trying, sir.
Yep.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yep.
Yeah. I'm Chetan, sir. I did, sir.
Chetan.
Yes, sir.
Chetan and Santosh together, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We are together, sir.
Chetan, can you share? Like, show us your screen.
Okay, sir. I will do.
Santosh, you got the presentation rights, you accept.
Yes, sir. Show my screen.
Yeah. Okay, but Chetan is not there in the meeting, huh?
Chetan is there,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
His name is displaying as like
Okay. Chetan is there first, huh? Fine.
Yes.
Okay, Chetan, you are the organizer, right? So you can probably show the screen. Santosh,
Yes, sir.
you select the Chetan on the top. The mic kind of symbol is there, no? Green symbol. You select on the top. No, go right. A mic symbol is there. Speaker symbol.
This one.
Chetan is there, no? In the written.
Yes, sir.
Put your cursor there. Where is your cursor? Put on the Chetan.
Chetan is not there.
You have a meeting, this one. Expand this. Go to meeting, expand. Click on go to meeting. Where is go to meeting? In your desktop. In your system, go to meeting will be there, no? Click on it. Expand this. Show control panel is there, no? On the top, red color arrow. Red color arrow is there, no? On the top. This one. Red color arrow. There only. Go top.
Control panel.
Show control panel.
Right side.
There are 3 buttons, no? Vertically. Click on this show control panel. Yeah. Chetan was now the new presenter. What Chetan has done?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
fine. Now Chetan,
Okay, sir.
share your desktop.
Okay, sir. Are you able to my screen?
No.
No, Chetan.
No, sir.
No. Even now also.
Even now.
No?
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. This
Fine.
is program, sir.
Fine. So others, what you will say? Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
I will execute, sir.
Okay. Fine. Let others check and just we will listen their comments. Vinod, what do you think? Is it will work?
Yeah, doing it. Doing.
Yeah, just see the program on GoToMeeting.
Yeah.
Chetan has already done the program for MAKT table.
Yeah. I'm doing the first thing.
Okay, fine. So just check this and yeah, do that, complete that, not a problem. Okay, anybody else?
I am doing
Was
the first one,
completed?
sir.
Okay, fine. Chetan, have you completed the first one also?
No, sir. Not first one. Second one I completed, sir.
You tried with the second one, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. This is correct. And one more thing, wait. You are writing MA and DTC. Thing is, writing of MA and DTC is not required because you have selected star. You can write all the fields. You can ignore some fields. You can write what fields you want. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. This is correct.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, try for the next one.
Okay, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
sir,
Yes.
sir. Actually, I have written the program, sir. The first one.
Mm. Who is this? Santosh, huh?
Javid, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Javed. Okay, Javed. Show me the screen.
So how can I show that?
Mm. Right now, I think Chetan has presentation rights. Chetan need to declare you as a presenter. Chetan,
Yes, sir.
what you can do, go to the go-to meeting and make Javed as a presenter.
Okay, sir.
Click on the mic symbol and right click and yeah, fine.
Yeah. Are you able to see, sir?
No, yeah, now okay, fine.
Sir, I am getting
Yes.
this for 12th line. There is error, sir.
Okay, so why anybody can tell why? So
That
check it. Check it. System
Yes,
will
sir.
tell you what is the problem. Check, not
Sir.
activate. Check the program.
that comma is missing
Don't
in the
activate.
upper line.
Yeah. Don't activate. Check. Yeah. So what is saying?
Must not be used with
So types begin of stru is there, no? It's not a relevant message. It's giving
Yes, sir.
some error message because after stru types begin of stru is there. After that you forgot to give a comma.
Yes,
After
sir.
stru you need to put a comma.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
That's it.
Now check.
That is okay now.
What you are doing here? You need to give either table hyphen field name, otherwise the data element.
Data
What you have
element.
done here? See.
I have given table hyphen data element.
No, it's wrong. You can give table hyphen field name or data element alone.
Okay. Now, if I delete this table name, it will be correct.
Yeah, it's correct.
No, sir. Space
No.
is
In the where condition is different, man. See, where condition you cannot give a data element. Where condition should be always written with the field name.
Okay.
Data declaration parts, parameters, these kinds of declarations you can say
Okay.
data element or table hyphen field name. But where condition you should specify the exact field name what is there in the database table.
Okay.
What is exactly the field name which is there in the database table?
VBELN.
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 So you should give here also VBELN.
Okay.
In the program also you should give VBELN.
Okay. Yeah, I've given VBELN.
that underscore is
Yeah. VBELN underscore V you are giving now. But what is there in the database table?
VBELN.
that's it. Yeah, that's it. Whatever is there in the database table field name, you give that one. Now save it, check it and activate. Check it.
Before it was very low, now it's correct.
syntax is correct now.
Yeah, execute. Yeah, now you can execute. You just go to the database table. Go to the database table.
Give the table name.
Go to the table contents. Yeah. Execute. There are so many weblins are there, right?
I'll copy one, sir.
Yeah, take any one weblin. First one or second one, anyone. Go to program and give it. You are not
I'm
copying.
not able to copy.
Give the number.
Okay, give here 4970 or 4971. Give 4969.
496. Okay.
Execute.
Yeah.
So are you getting the correct data? For 4969 CURA is there.
Yes, sir. C is there.
And what is there for VB type? C is there. What is there for network? Scroll more. Yeah, scroll like that. NETWR, how much is there?
NETWR.
Yeah.
Scroll further. Yeah, 5,500 is there. 5,500 coming in your output.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Then your program is right. You can
Sir,
check with one more Weblan. Yeah.
Yeah.
this is the I have completed, but after compiling, runtime error is coming.
Who is this?
Vinod.
Vinod?
Yes, sir.
Vinod, yeah, share. Now Javed, just give the presentation rights to Vinod.
So where can I give that, sir?
Yeah, go to the Vinod
Change
name.
presentation.
Yeah.
Vinod. Yeah,
Vinod,
sir.
you got screen, show your screen option you will get now.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I should double click on this one.
Which one?
On Vinod name. This is Javed, sir.
On Vinod name, you should right click and click on make a presenter. Right click.
Okay. I have made.
Let us represent. Okay. Yes, sir. Just see my program.
Okay.
Created one structure and our name, which is the data element. The VBTR.
Okay.
It is.
So now,
I've checked it. No error. I have activated. While compiling, see in this table 4969. I will give some 4969.
give it.
This errors I'm getting.
Error. Yeah, error will come. Anybody from Bashweshwar or Aditya guess the problem? Yeah, you come back to your program. You come back to your program.
How to come back? Back button, no?
Back.
Yeah, click on back button, go to SE38, give the program name, click on display. Display. Okay, change. Fine. So please, anybody, I'm expecting answer from your side. Tell me what's the problem.
Sir,
Chetan, Javed, you have done already.
yeah,
So
sir.
see the program and check the problem where it is.
Sir,
Yep.
I think select single. He has written all the things. Arnam, VB type and network.
Yeah, we should write. No, he need all the three fields he want. So he want Ernum, he want VB type, he want network.
Sir, he has to give work area type structure name, sir.
Yeah, correct. Who is this?
Yeah.
Santosh, sir.
Javed.
Yeah. So now, Vinod, wait. Why you need to give this STRUC? Why you can't give VBAK?
Because we are creating structure. Work area for structure.
Work area for
This structure.
structure.
Work area
Okay,
from
if you
structure.
give, if you give VBAK also the same thing, right? VBAK also you will create a structure for VBAK fields.
Yeah.
What makes the difference?
If we create a structure, work area for table, all the fields will be created.
Okay,
If
good.
we create,
Yeah.
I understand. Just a moment, I'll check it.
If you create with the reference of the structure which you have created in the program, then it will create fields only for.
Yes, sir.
4969. Give it 4969.
It will come.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is where the problem is. So that's why whenever you are creating a structure, see again you should be little careful. Like you are giving your structure name.
Yes.
Fine then. So I hope all of you are doing. Like Aditya, what's the status? Completed?
Yes.
Are you able to run the program? It's giving correct result output.
40.
Yeah, Vinod, you can try for the another program. That is selecting all the fields from MAKT table based on Mara.
Yes, yes. MAKT table.
Hello, sir.
Hmm.
This is Chetan, sir.
Yeah, Chetan.
I did, sir. First one.
Okay, fine. Chetan also got it. Sir, not a problem. Who else was there?
Yes, sir.
Javed, Aditya, Santosh. Santosh, you got it?
Yes, sir. I am analyzing that one only.
You are still doing it, Santosh?
Sir, some error means some technical error in this ABAP connection, means server connection occurred.
Server connection, you are getting some error.
No, sir. Not this one, sir. I got the LAN connection or something is displaying.
Chetan, make Santosh as a presenter. Chetan,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
make Santosh as a presenter.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So now see, Santosh, share your desktop.
Okay, sir.
What happened?
Sir,
No,
can you see?
No.
No.
Log in once again.
Oh, like
Log in once again.
Okay, sir. It's not saved. 1 second. Actually, I have not saved that program. Let's say
You should save.
Okay, sir.
At each and
Okay,
every
sir, I
step
will
you
try
should
it.
save it, check it and activate. Okay?
Okay,
Just
sir. I will.
try Santosh, because if you don't try, tomorrow classes will be critical.
Okay, sir. Definitely, I
Try
will
to
show it
complete it.
tomorrow.
Try to complete it today itself. Okay?
Today. Hello, sir. I will show it tomorrow, sir. Definitely.
Yeah. Fine then. So all of you meet tomorrow in the next class, and tomorrow we will see how to get the records into the internal table. That means today we have seen how to get one single record into the work area, right?
Work area. Yes,
So
sir.
tomorrow we will see how to get multiple records into the internal table.
Okay, sir.
Because work area
Tomorrow
cannot, store. Yeah, tomorrow? Oh, sorry. Tomorrow is a Saturday, Sunday, right? So we'll see on Monday. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Fine then.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Bye.
Okay, sir. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Right. Thank you. Sorry, program is correct.
Chetan.
Hello.
Hi, Chetan.
Hello,
Chetan. Santosh.
Yeah.
Hey Chetan.
ಹೇಳ
Chetan, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡು.
ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ಲ ತಡಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಇರು.
ನಾನು ನಿನಗೆ ಇದು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಚೇತನ್?
ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನೇ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ನೀನೇ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು, ನಾನ್ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
ಸಂತೋಷ್ ಕೊಡು ನೀನು.
ಓಕೆ, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ನೋಡ್ ಬಂತ?
ಬಂತು. ಓಕೆ, ನಾ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಒಂದ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡು ಈಗ. ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ನೇ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಏನಾರ ಬೇಕಾ?
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ತೋರ್ಸು.
ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ
ಸಿಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಎರರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ.
ಸಿಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಓವರ್ ರೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನ ಆದಿತ್ಯ. ಎರಡು ಅದರಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
ಹೌದಾ?
ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಾಯ್ತಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್.
आदित्य
सेकंड प्रोग्राम दिखा बे।
सेकंड बोले तो मार्केट का एमएकेटी टेबल। नहीं एमएकेटी टेबल नहीं किया आदित्य, फर्स्ट वाला किया, बताना क्या?
फर्स्ट प्रोग्राम दिखा ना
जरा, मुझे प्रेजेंटर बना, मेरे नाम पे राइट क्लिक कर।
चेतन प्रेजेंटर